Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Travel with Carter. Here we're in Samoa and trying to see what 10 US dollars can get us. So first off, let's exchange it. So 10 US dollars as of today equals 27.5 Samoan tala. So let me show you what the currency looks like. That's usually my favorite part of checking out new currency, is looking at all the bills, and I know a lot of you like it. So there is the 20 tala bill and the 10 and the 5 and then the coins. So there's the 2 tala coin, the 1 tala, 50-cent coin, and a 10-cent coin. So again, it's 27.5 for $10 US. So let's get out there and see what we could spend it on. All right, so again, it's always fun to try different foods and drinks when I'm traveling the world. This here is called a strawberry Viala. So it's basically a yogurt based drink with chunks of strawberry, chunks of pineapple in it. Give you a big straw. Incredible. That's really refreshing. My sugar was starting to dip a little bit, so it helping spike me back up, and really nice refreshing drink. So again, as I show in a lot of these videos, I love free water. So this is being sponsored here by British High Commission. So great idea for this event here. Again, we got I would say hundreds of people out, maybe thousands over the course of the week for this boating event, World Championship. But yeah, great to have some free water here. So definitely helps with what can we get for $10 in Samoa. And that one wasn't working. That one's not working. Oh, that doesn't always work. That's part of the fun of the running on a camera. No. All right, there you go. So you just need a bottle. The other ones weren't working, so but still, great idea. Saves a lot of plastic. That's their angle there, helping to protect the ocean, of course, and saves people like you and I a good amount of money. Hey all, sorry to pause the video here. Just wanted to remind you all to please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Currently only about 10% of all the people watching this video are subscribed, so that would be a huge help as I go and try to accomplish my goal of being the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. I'm getting there, and I can get there even faster with your help. Now, that being said, it's not just for me. Every time my subscriber count doubles, I will be giving out a prize pack. I gave one out at 500, gave one out at 1,000. I can't wait to give one out at 2,000. Can't wait to give one out at 4,000. But again, please hit that little button down below, and then whatever country I'm in the time of the video, I'll send a gift pack to the lucky winner from that country. Thanks for your support. Stay golden. All right, first thing I was able to buy here with my $10 US is beautiful Samoan flag here. So this was only 3 tala. There you go, you got it right, blowing in the sun, nice and beautiful. And yeah, there's tons of these around, as there's a lot of national pride with the boat races going on, just basically in the plaza behind me there. That's the water. So yeah, 3 tala, one of these. Add that to the collection. Here we go. All right, so another thing you can do with $10 US in Samoa is go to the sliding rocks. So I'll put the name down below, as I'm gonna butcher it trying to say it, but I'm right here in the jungle right now. This is a beautiful natural element here. This is only about 7 kilometers outside of Apia as well. And you can see just in the distance, but I will give you a much closer view very shortly. But this is only 5 tala to come in here per person. So let's get at it. And another item you can do for your $10 US here in Samoa is get a SIM card. So Vodafone, I was able to get one with them for only 5 tala. and it's good for 2 weeks, and it had up to 5 gigs of internet usage on it as well. So it local calls, text, and internet could all be used for 5 tala, which is a steal of a deal. I don't always buy these SIM cards when I'm traveling, as a lot of times Wi-Fi is abundant and free and easy to come by. Not so much here in Samoa, so you do need to buy one of those cards. I would highly recommend it. But yeah, only 5 tala to start, and then if you use more data, etc., then you're going to pay more. But there you go. Hey, thanks so much for tuning into another episode of Travel with Carter. Really appreciate all the support I've been receiving. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button down below if you do really like what you're watching, and if you could share with your friends and family, that would help also. Tune in next week as we go to a new country. Can't tell you where just yet, but video will be released next week. Stay golden all.